Okay, guys, check these beauties out. These are Tibetan yaks, specially bred, meticulously groomed to make money from tourists. They are amazing looking animals. It's amazing they can keep them this clean. I have to say, they looked a lot better than they smelled, but still, absolutely beautiful animals. The view here, pretty nice as well. This is just a roadside stop. There's quite a few of them along this highway. Absolutely beautiful, isn't it? Not very busy at this time of day, but there's a lot of tourist buses on this road. I'm sure they do all right. It must be worth it for them for there to be so many of these animals waiting for tourists. And here's one on the way to work. Going to a different location, there's another stop very similar just down the road. Absolutely beautiful animals. I like to know what they're worth when they look that nice. All right, guys, there it is as always. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it.